Sulphur Point, Tauranga Harbour. Sulphur Point is a busy boat ramp, especially over the summer months. There is a 4-lane boat ramp of 6 degrees pitch next to the dry stack, as well as a 6-lane ramp of 7 degrees pitch 200 metres further north. They are all tied concrete ramps suitable for all size trailer boats and are free to use. There are plenty of parking spots for cars with trailers at the ramps and additional parking available on the grass area nearby. Adjacent to the 4-lane ramp you can find a restaurant, and there is fuel on the jetty around the corner. Toilets, club rooms and a coin-operated boat wash station are located at the 6-lane ramp. Nearby is a dive shop, boat servicing, tackle shop with bait and ice, as well as a top catch store. Within minutes drive you can get to cafes, the Tauranga Sport Fishing Club and a Burnsco store.